everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to buy cryptocurrency on Luno. Now, buying cryptocurrency on Luno generally involves these steps. First of all, you need to access your Luno account through the mobile app or website. And also, before you can buy crypto, you need to deposit funds into your Luno account. Navigate to the wallet or deposit section. Select your local currency and choose a deposit method, that is bank account, bank transfer, card payments. Now, you follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposits. Then you need to look for a buy, trade or similar option within the app or website. Then you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, that is Bitcoin, Ethereum or whatever. Then enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy, either in your local currency or in the cryptocurrency itself. Carefully review the other details, including the price, fees and total amount. Then you need to confirm purchase. If everything is correct, confirm the purchase. Your purchased cryptocurrency will be added to your Luno wallet and you can view the transaction in your transaction history. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.